Good evening, YouTube. Kipster81 here. I got my buddy Ashton with me, helping me today, and we are cutting some 2x6 on my Woodland Mills HM 122 bandsaw mill. It's back there behind Ashton. There, now you can see it. And I think we got her all set up here, and Ashton's going to buzz out some 2x6 out of this camp that we've got sitting on the mill. Got her set for exactly 4 inches on the scale right there. You can see it says 4 right there. We're not cutting by the quarter, we're cutting by the inch, and what we're building doesn't require precision lumber. So Ashton's going to go ahead and grab the throttle here, and he's going to get that blade spinning, and we're going to cut some 2x6. There you go. Wide open, bud. There we go. Well guys, that's one 2x6 cut, and that barn over there kind of behind Ashton, I built that entire thing with this mill. So there's no reason that we can't build, well, we can build just about anything on this farm with the amount of trees that we've got. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.